In 1973, Tormek pioneered the concept of jig-controlled, water-cooled sharpening. Over the years, we continually develop innovative new attachments and techniques. We have strived to constantly improve each and every component of the system, whilst maintaining compatibility with existing machines. The new Tormek T7 features our latest innovation, the SE76 square edge jig. It automatically lines up the tool precisely at 90 degrees to the grindstone every time. Perfect alignment to the grindstone is the basis for a square edge on your tool. The unique composition of the Tormek grindstone gives you different cutting actions. To restore the shape on a tool, grade the grindstone with the coarse side of the SP650 stone grader. The grindstone will now cut quickly, but it will leave a fairly coarse scratch pattern on the bevel. To refine the surface of the bevel, use the fine side of the stone grader, which is now a part of the standard T7 package. In just a few seconds of grinding, your tool is ready for final honing on the leather honing wheel. Also a part of the standard T7 package is the TT50 diamond truing tool, which recuts your grindstone parallel with the universal support and perfectly round. This most recent version of the truing tool features a screw feed mechanism and the ability to precisely control the depth of the truing cut. Tormek works to strict manufacturing tolerances and uses only top quality components, giving us confidence to stand behind the T7 with a rock-solid 7-year warranty for either private or commercial use. The T7 standard package also includes the Pro Angle Master, honing compound for the leather honing wheel, a hardcover 162-page owner's handbook, and an instructional DVD, all packed in a tray that can be mounted to the wall. There's a lot more to learn about the Tormek T7, such as the range of unique jigs and accessories for all sorts of woodworking, wood turning, wood carving, household and gardening tools. Sharpen less, turn more. The Tormek TNT sharpening system makes it possible. You just touch and turn. Your gouges and skews are sharpened in 4 easy steps. Fix the tool in the jig. Position the universal support. Make a few passes across the grindstone. Then polish the bevel on the flat honing wheel. And remove the burr on the profiled leather honing wheel. Your turning tools will cut more cleanly and stay sharp longer than you ever thought possible. The TNT system can sharpen all of your turning tools, but the most challenging tools are now sharpened perfectly in a fraction of the time previously needed. Fingernail shapes on bowl and spindle gouges, plus skews either straight or radiused, are sharpened quickly, easily and precisely the same every time. Tormek provides not only the best equipment for the job, but also the best training. The TNT instruction box has a fully indexed 83-minute DVD and a complete instruction handbook for easy reference. The boxed set is the most comprehensive guide to sharpening turning tools on the market. It is available individually or as part of the TNT 708 wood turners kit. The TNT sharpening system means the sharpest edges, the cleanest cuts, and the longest tool life. That's how you sharpen less and turn more.